polynomial? So you must know about the meaning of polynomials. So what is, first of all, variable? To know the polynomial, you must know about the variables. What are the variables, my dear students? Tell me. Tell me. Variables. All the alphabets in mathematics that we are using x, y, z, but they are not having any fixed value. Not having any fixed value. Right? Like x, y, z, इनकी कोई फिक्स वैल्यू नहीं होती. x की वैल्यू 1 भी हो सकती है, x की वैल्यू 2 भी हो सकती है, 50 भी हो सकती है, 1000 भी हो सकती है. राइट? तो x की वैल्यू डिपेंड करता है इक्वेशन के ऊपर हम क्या निकालते हैं. तो दिस वुड बी कंसिडर एज वेरिएबल. सो व्हाट इज नंबर? कांस्टेंट्स. नंबर जो होता है, ये जो हम यूज करते हैं ना, नंबर्स 1 2 3, दीज आर कॉल्ड कांस्टेंट्स. इनकी वैल्यू फिक्स होती है. कैसे? अगर 4 नंबर है तो वो 4 4 ही रहेगा ना, उसको आप चेंज तो नहीं कर सकते. राइट? That's why we can consider it numbers. Next is signs. Signs are plus, minus, multiply, divide. And the combination of all these means combination किस का? You can take combination of variable, number means constants, right? And signs. This would be considered as algebraic expression. What you can consider it? Algebraic expression. This will come in your exam for 1 mark also. This can it can be possible. Teacher can create one question on that. What is algebraic expression? So you have to give the answer. The combination of variable, constant, and signs is considered as algebraic expression. Okay. Signs means fundamental arithmetic operations, right? So this will be considered as algebraic expression. Any algebraic expression you got, right? And if that algebraic expression is having non-negative integral value, non-negative means नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए. क्या नहीं होनी चाहिए? नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए. किसकी? क्या नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए? पार. पार नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर उस अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में पार नेगेटिव नहीं होगी तो वो क्या बन जाएगा माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? क्या बन जाएगा? पॉलिनोमियल. ओके एवरीवन? क्लियर? वेरी सिंपल. Let's move further. So let's discuss about, first of all, different types of like polynomials. I'm going to give you one polynomial and you have to, like, I'm going to give you one expression. You have to tell me that this expression is polynomial or not. Okay, let's start. Very simple, I'm giving you. See everyone. If I'll give you first part, you can see on the screen that x cube plus 3x square plus 2. Yes, Gaurika, tell me. This is x cube plus 3x square plus 2. This expression is polynomial or not?
It is a polynomial.
It is a polynomial. What's the reason? What's the reason? Reason is variable has non-negative power. Because variable is x, no? X, power of x is 3, which is positive. Power of x is 2, which is positive. So it is non-negative integral power. So you can consider it as polynomial. Okay? Non-negative power. Okay. Second question. My second next question to you is, Ashita, you have to tell under root x raised to power 5 plus 4x plus 2. Yes, tell me.
Didi, it is not a polynomial.
Why?
Didi, variable can't be in root.
Variable can't be in root. So variable can't be in root. That's why you are saying that this is not a polynomial, right?
Yes, Didi.
How you will write this? No, you have to write that here we see that variable has no all integer power. It means it is having power in fraction, not in integer. It must be integer also. Okay, integral power is not there. It is in fraction, so it is not a polynomial. You know how under root x can be written as x raised to power 1 by 2, and already 5 is there, so it would be written as x raised to power, because under root is considered as power half, no, it would be considered as x raised to power 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is not an integer, right? Not an integer, no. So it must be
Yes.
non-negative integral power. It must be non-negative integral power, but this is not a integer. 5 by 2 is not integer, so you cannot consider this is not a, this expression is not a polynomial. You have to write, because this is not x raised to power 5 by 2. Here the power is not a integer. Clear, everyone? Clear? Now my next question, very simple. See everyone, first I'm going to write the question, then you have to tell that it is a polynomial or not. X raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 3 plus 3x upon x plus 2, right? Now what you have to tell me that this is the polynomial or not. This will who will tell me? Ramansh or Krishna? Krishna, you tell. Krishna,
Yes, Didi. Yes, Didi.
is it a polynomial? Let me know, my dear. Is it a
Didi, don't.
polynomial?
No.
Yes, yes, speak out.
Didi, yes. Didi, yes.
How? You are saying yes. How it is a polynomial?
Didi, because powers are only positive.
Here down in denominator we are having x. So
Yes, Didi.
what you will do of this x? Variable must not be in fraction also, no?
दी ये तो ऊपर चला जाएगा ना 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई में
2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई में चला जाएगा. How can you do like this? You are
दी
saying
नीचे
your
डिवाइड
answer is correct only. See Krishna, your answer is correct only that yes, it is a polynomial, but how it is, your reason is wrong. You know why? Let me tell you. The variable must not be in fraction, because if 1 by x is there, no, it means x raised to power minus 1, you can write like this. So if x raised to power minus 1, the power is negative, so it is not a polynomial. Here also the same thing is there. But in this, what you can do, x is in divide in denominator with the whole expression. So you can make them separate. X raised to power 4 upon x अलग कर सकते हो. X raised to power 3 upon x अलग कर दिया. 3x upon x अलग कर दिया. Plus 2 अलग कर दिया. अच्छा, x से 1 पावर कैंसिल 3 रह गया. x से 1 पावर कैंसिल 2 रह गया. x से x कैंसिल. So what it would be? X cube plus x square plus 3 plus 2. Now,
वो तो 5 कर
now
देने की
all
बात
the powers are positive also and integer also. So you can consider it as a polynomial. Now you can consider, when you will solve it, no, you will consider it as a polynomial. Okay? Okay. Now my next question to you is, my dear students, very simple. You have to tell me 3x square minus 5x. Okay. Which of the following expression are polynomials in one or more variable? You have to tell. Okay. You have to tell that which of the following expressions are polynomials in one or more variable. State reason for your answer. Okay. So this expression I have given you. Gaurika, you have to tell me that this expression is a polynomial or not. First of all, just tell me this.
Yes, Didi, it is a polynomial.
And this polynomial is in one variable or two variable?
Didi, this is the polynomial in one variable.
Polynomial also. And this is the polynomial in one variable because we are having variable as x only. We are having x only, no? Y, z, kuch bhi nahi hai. So we can say polynomial in one variable. Why? What's the reason? So you have to write the same reason only, that all parts of variable are non-negative integers. Okay, because why it is a polynomial? Because all parts, what? All parts of variable. All parts of variable are non-negative integers. This is the main reason you have to write. This is the main reason. Okay. Now next part, Ashita, you have to tell. Just switch
Okay,
on your
Didi.
mic. Second part. 5y square plus 8x. Ashita, is it a polynomial?
Yes, Didi, it is a polynomial.
How it is a polynomial? Because variable is non-negative. Power of variable is non-negative.
Non-negative integers.
So power is 2 and 1. It means these are non-negative, no? And integer also. So you can
Yes,
consider
Didi.
it as polynomial. Yes. You have to write power of variable is non-negative integer. Okay. Now this polynomial is in one variable or two variable, my dear?
Didi, it is in two variable.
Because we are having x and y, both
Right.
variables, right? So this is in this is a very expression or polynomial in two variables. In two variables. Nice. Good enough. Okay. Now my next question to you is root t plus 3y. Ramansh, you have to tell me that this is a polynomial or not.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Root t variable is in root.
Ma'am, this is not a polynomial.
This is not a polynomial. Why? What's the reason?
Ma'am, because variable is in root.
Variable is in root and root means t raised to power 1 by 2. Right? Root means
Yes, ma'am.
r is half plus 3y. So here you can see this is not a polynomial only because the power is not an integer. It must be non-negative integer. Power must be non-negative integer. 1 by 2 is not integer. Right? So this is not a polynomial. Okay. So now my next question. Who will tell? I am giving you question. Those who know the answer, they can tell. Okay. It's up to you. And you should take initiative, I think so. Those who left only. I'm not asking you because you have not done it earlier. You're doing it first time. But you should take initiative. Okay. Rest of you. Now tell me, rest of you, those who left only, that this is a polynomial in one variable, two variable, or three variable. This is a polynomial or not? First of all, just tell me this.
Didi, it is a polynomial.
It is a polynomial. Okay. No, it is not a polynomial. This is wrong, my dears.
Yes, Didi.
Okay. So x raised to power 3, x raised to power 2, because 1 by x will be considered as x raised to power minus 1. So power is negative over here, right? So this is not a polynomial, my dear. Okay.
Okay.